Welcome to our broadcast this morning. I've been out this week. I haven't been able to trade. I appreciate you all for joining, and I won't be available on tomorrow. I have a religious holiday tomorrow, but we are here today, and I've already started trading. So thank you all so much for being here and for your patience. We've been going hard, going strong since January, almost no days off, and I intend to continue and show up every day and be consistent. But sometimes I have things that family related or important things that I have to pull away for. So this week I wasn't able to trade, but we're here today. So let's get right into it. I hope y'all have been having a great week so far. So let's talk. All right. So this week, I've been dropping game plans every day. So in the morning, I have been doing an analysis and putting the game plan together and following the market so that I can stay in tune with what's going on and be ready for the trading day. Be ready for when I got back. So hope y'all been having a good week. So basically, what we have going on is the market has become complacent with. They've been throwing around this term taco, right? Trump always chickens out. So I think the market has become complacent with the tariffs and the economy. Earnings have been, well, AI, optimism, and tech has been leading the market. And this spike here, we could attribute to the reports that came out this morning. All right, so we're going to see a spike on the NVIDIAs, the Qs, and I think right now we've been having a lot of opportunities. I've just been watching this week, been seeing things run up like APLD that's attached to CoreWeave. So just, even though the market has started to move sideways, why I can't hear anything, Mike is consistently buzzing, brother. All right, anyone else hearing a weird zapping sound? So let me fix this. Let me fix this real quick. And hold on. We'll get it together. All right. Sometimes we have tech issues, but we work on them. So I'm the tech guy. All right, let's see. Okay. And so you gotta fire me. All right. We don't hear you anymore. Wow, buzzing sounds pretty bad. Interesting. Yeah. I wonder what's up. All right. This is what we'll do. Bit better. Oh, it's okay now. What about those on the YouTube? How is it? How's it for you guys? You still good on YouTube? Nah, it's really loud. All right. This is what we're gonna do. Here we go. All right. So you probably can hear my mic now. Yeah. All right. Let's do it. We'll work with just the normal mic until I figure out what's up with YouTube. Okay. All right. Let's go. So CRWV. Oh, he's still hearing it. Oh yeah, something up with the YouTube guys. I'm so sorry. For those in the community, join the Zoom, and for those that are on YouTube, I do apologize. I've already switched mics, and I'm not sure what's going on. I'm not sure what's going on. Small static on YouTube, but I hear you fine. All right, cool. All right, we'll keep going. I apologize. We'll figure this out on the next run. We'll have to do some testing. All right, cool. All right, so let's talk names. All right, let's do this morning. So the stocks from this morning. So I traded Xena and ZJK this morning. So Xena came out, a military drone, launches a drone as a service for U.S. defense and government agencies. So that we had that catalyst pop this morning. I didn't catch this one, but I did catch this move here. Didn't get stopped out. I took profit there. So that one, I was joining the call this morning when this happened. I was looking for this because price was holding up well on VWAP, and we see some absorption there. So I was looking for that move there, but I didn't catch this one right here. So Xena, that one popped. It has some room to go. Contracts with the U.S. Defense Department and more catalysts around drones. So that's one that came out. ZJK, this one from this morning, they announced showcases liquid cool connectors at, no, that's not it. All right, here we go. Ramps up production to support NVIDIA's B40 project. Okay, so that catalyst comes out and gives us, pulls back, dips, starts to move sideways, and then we see the volume sustaining, pulls through VWAP. This is where I got my entry. I took 50% off the table and just was waiting with the other, and then it popped and then it pulled back. So I just went ahead and cut it. So got a little bit out of both of those. This one could have been a runner, but it faded. So we'll see. So first day back, green on the week because of one day. All right, so that's always good start. All right, so let's see. We have let's talk ideas now. Okay, so those are names that popped up. SCNI. Let me just look at this real quick. This is something that just popped up right now on the scan. All right, let's look at this. What are the stats on it? SCNI. What's the stats? Looking at the stats real quick, and let's see. Immunotherapeutics received Italian government clearance under private relation for potential acquisition. Okay, so this looks like an M&A deal. Float is huge. Okay, this is, and also this isn't one of the companies that I trade. Okay, all right, so I'm passing on that one. All right, let's go. Let's talk about ideas. Okay, so these ideas are. We can still hear it fine. Smash the like button. Maybe the audio will clear up. Yeah, I appreciate y'all. Thanks for working with me. All right, NVTS. Okay, this one has been moving with NVIDIA. So this has been in the game plan for the entire week. Monday, Tuesday, and Wednesday, I've had it in our game plan. So this one has been on a trend. It's been trending. Now it's bumping up against resistance. So I want to see what it does at this level around, breaking through 7. Let's see. It's sort of squeeze here. Looked like the pop tried to happen. Or this was post market. This morning it popped here, right? And then now it's back. So it's formed a clear range. So let's see what happens if we're going to pull through that $7 level. We'll have some trading there. All right. So AI, tech, these are all in play. So let's see what happens here above this, $6.95-ish, $7 level. So MVTS is on our watch. Okay. All right. APLD in our game plan, or in the game plan that I've been reporting this week. So this one, incredible move. This one is tied to CoreWeave here, and then they just announced that, disclosed in regulatory filing, it owns 5.5% stake in Applied Digital. Okay, so these are all good catalysts for APLD. It's been having good catalysts day after day. So pops, once it goes lateral yesterday, pops again, and now it's pulled back a bit, but these are yesterday's highs right here. It's pulling back to yesterday's high. So this is all, it's all really good price action, and it's reacting to catalysts. So we'll see what we get on APLD. The catalyst is a good one, and it's a longer term catalyst that potentially carry this thing a lot higher. So we'll see what happens. So looking at the high of day yesterday and intraday levels to see what we'll do on this one. Okay, all right. So CLF ran up last Friday. Trading it has been, it's been some dips. Covered hard Tuesday, moved a little bit Wednesday. So just kind of keeping this one on watch. See, it's been holding up pretty well. Want to see if we'll move. This one, there's an announcement. There's a steel tariff announcement. An announcement around tariffs. I'm sorry. An announcement around steel, tariff related. So that one has been on watch. Okay. All right. So LYEL, this one runs up yesterday, opens up higher than the high from yesterday. So this is one we'll see what happens here. Small, not much volume being traded, and so we'll see if it's gonna here pop and continue, or if it's gonna go short. Okay. All right. Yeah, for those that are just joining, yes, there's a sound on YouTube. There's some issue on YouTube, and I'm not sure what it is yet. It's the challenge is, the problem is I'm feeding audio into Zoom, as well as I'm feeding audio into Zoom, as well as the YouTube, right? And then Zoom is having an issue. I mean, Zoom is not having an issue. There's no sound. I mean, there's no issues on Zoom, but YouTube, there's an issue. So just trying to, I'll have to try to fix it after, because if I unplug now, then I won't be on the same live. So I'll have to fix that one after. Okay. All right. So I appreciate you all for joining. I know I've been out, and thanks for the support. I will be out tomorrow, so I'll fix this issue before we come back on Monday. Okay. All right. All right. So what else are you all looking at? What's on your list? PON? Okay. I'll take a look at it. Yeah, I mean, it's holding up here, but yesterday is just lateral. If there isn't a catalyst, it may. Yeah, I mean, we can set some alarms here. See if some more volume comes in. But right now, I just don't see anything. I know that this was a play holding up before. Yeah, hood was hood is this one is on a rip, right? So this one is ripping up higher and higher. So definitely take a look at hood if that's one that you can trade. Let's talk about some of the larger caps. PLTR definitely still, potential reactive trade there. Nvidia as well, similar to the what we talked about with the NVTS. So earnings came out. It's been holding up very well. Been driving one of the drivers of the market, the overall market, what we see on the Qs. And now there's like this squeeze happening. So we'll see if it moves higher. And let's look at Bitcoin. This Bitcoin's been pulling back and it's bouncing now. I hadn't looked at Mara, but it looks like it's been running for the last few days. Yeah, rally. Yeah, it's been running pretty well. Quantum names have went flat, so I haven't been mentioning them either. Yeah, it's just all right. Okay, so we're back at it. Hope y'all been having a great week. Let's close out the week strong. It'd be interesting to hear what some of you all have been challenged with changing in June. Like when you did your May review, we hadn't talked since, right? So when you did your May review, what did you come up with for June? Sometimes we look around and we want to, we focus on a lot of what we see around like other traders, and we chase P&L. But if you can stop the bad habits from the previous month, and you continue to do that month after month after month, or week after week after week, or day after day after day, and you'll eventually hit your goals, right? So if you aren't making $1,000 a month yet, let's just say like trading, pick a setup, one or two, master those, show up every day. When they appear, execute them very well. Rinse and repeat, and then focus on scaling, sizing up. Okay. All right. REKR. All right. Let's see what else. Interesting. Yeah, a lot of volume on Tuesday, decent on Wednesday. Looks like it could be setting up for a short, but if it does break that 170-ish level, then it may go up to 194. So we could take a look at that. Set some alarms here. Okay. All right, y'all. I hope y'all have a great day. I appreciate you all for being here and bearing with the sound issues. All right. Have a great day, and I will talk to you soon. Thanks a lot. Bye-bye.